and the ball is struck solid. So
Yeah.
the only thing I can think that is affected right now at this point is the club path. The club face path through the ball. You're hitting it, extremely flush, and the distance is there. It just has a lot of that spin on it, and tends to just kind of keep traveling that way and further away from the target. So what I'm going to have you do on these next few is step back, get your pre-shot routine.
Okay.
And before you hit it, I want you to stand up and check your alignment. Look down your shoulders and see where you're lining up. And I'm going to get your shoulders aimed onto that target.
So do you want me to set up just like I aim just a little right?
Just
of the target?
yep,
Like
pretty much with your shoulders right at the target,
Okay.
because that's going to leave you that room to work the ball in from right to left.
Where are my shoulders at?
Your shoulders are good right now.
Good?
Good.
You want me to hit a shot here?
Go ahead.
That was a little off.
All right. One more thing I want you to look at is, although your shoulders on that one were good, your feet were aimed at that right tree out there.
Okay.
About 15 to 20 yards right of our line. So if your shoulders are aimed at the target, but your
My
feet
feet
are closed
It's gonna make me.
over there, it
yeah.
kind of makes you auto correct to that pole.
Mhm.
And I think that's kind of what causes it a little bit.
Okay.
We're going to stand a little bit more upright to the ball and focus on a higher swing, higher hands at the back, at the top here, and a higher finish. Where you're swinging out.
Okay.
And we're going to try that first, and if that doesn't work, then I got another idea to kind of get you on path.
Yeah, because I get low and quick, and that's where that left miss really
You have a
comes
tendency to get a little quick, and then your lower body fires, and it gets your hands behind you. All right, the next shot we're going to work on, Kyle, is a shot you've seen on some of the holes that we've got dogleg right or dogleg left, where you've got to carry over a bunker, and the bunker is, easily 100, 150 yards behind the distance that you can hit the ball. But sometimes those low ones tend to get those bunkers, so we're just going to go over a little bit of a ball placement and just kind of a different setup in order to get that ball higher in the air. And you've seen the roll out here, so you'll know you'll probably get the same amount of roll, you'll just get a little bit of an additional carry.
Okay.
So what we're going to work on is we're going to work on setting the ball up right inside the front of our foot, not keeping it back towards our sternum more, but really focusing on getting it up there in our stance. And we're going to have a long takeaway, taking it away, keeping the club head as close to the ground on the way back as possible. And then swinging through from there. So go ahead and give that a few swings, and we'll see if the trajectory changes.
Okay.
Good. Would you say that's about probably a third higher than your normal?
higher.
And that was just nothing changed in the swing, just a little setup in the ball position. Go ahead. One other thing I noticed in your setup is that you like to lay the club open like this, kind of exposing the hosel there, as opposed to just kind of, if you notice, if you just rock the shaft back versus opening it up, it keeps the hosel out of play, and it still adds loft to the club, but it doesn't lay it open so much to where the hosel comes into play on your bunker a little bit easier. So what I like to do is open up with my feet a little bit together and kind of cheat my weight more on my left side. It keeps it a little bit lower and puts a little bit more spin on it. So hit these shots here, and we'll see what we're working with.